Tesla's full self-driving, or FSD for the Model Y, is an advanced driver assistance system, commonly known as ADAS. As of January 2026, it does not provide full autonomy and requires active driver supervision at all times. Think of FSD as a very advanced form of cruise control. It's designed to assist you while driving, but you remain fully responsible for operating the vehicle and must be ready to take control instantly. FSD works by using multiple cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar to perceive the environment around the vehicle. This data feeds into a neural network that processes the information to make driving decisions. On the vehicle's touchscreen, you can see the FSD interface, monitoring the road ahead and displaying the system's current status. This helps you stay aware of what the system is doing. Despite its name, full self-driving is not fully autonomous. The system can handle many driving tasks, but you must remain vigilant, keep your hands near the wheel, and be prepared to take over control at any moment. To use FSD, first ensure it's enabled in your Model Y settings via the touchscreen. Once enabled, you can engage FSD by double pulling down on the right stalk. The car will then attempt to control steering, acceleration, and braking. FSD works best on highways with clear lane markings. Always select your destination in the navigation system for optimal performance. Remember, the system may not be available in all areas due to varying regulations. Daily use of Tesla's full self-driving involves supervised autonomy, where the system handles many driving tasks while you remain actively engaged as the driver. FSD manages essential tasks like adaptive cruise control, maintaining speed and distance from vehicles ahead. It also handles lane keeping, automatically steering to stay within lane boundaries. The system can perform automatic lane changes when safe and appropriate, and it provides navigation on autopilot, following your set route. However, you must always monitor the road and be ready to intervene at any moment. Keep your hands on the wheel at all times, or the system will prompt you to place them there. Start with highway drives to gain familiarity with the system. Then gradually incorporate urban settings as you become more comfortable. Expect occasional disengagements, particularly in complex scenarios like construction zones or poor weather. Tesla is moving towards eyes-off capabilities with FSD supervised, but as of early 2026, this is still limited and conditional. In select U.S. states, you may be able to look away briefly on highways, but only with the FSD supervised mode activated and under specific conditions like good weather and clear lane markings. Always be prepared to immediately regain control. The car will issue audible alerts if it requires your intervention. FSD has several limitations that require careful attention. Poor visibility conditions like heavy rain, snow, or fog can significantly challenge the system's ability to perceive the environment accurately. Construction zones present challenges with temporary road changes, barriers, and workers that FSD may not anticipate. Always stay alert in these areas. Uncharted or unfamiliar roads without detailed mapping can cause FSD to struggle with navigation and obstacle detection. Complex intersections with multiple lanes, pedestrians, or unusual layouts can be difficult for FSD to navigate safely. FSD may struggle with unusual road markings, unexpected obstacles, or other anomalies not in its training data. In any of these situations, be ready to disengage FSD and take over manually. If you feel unsafe or notice erratic behavior, immediately press the brake pedal or turn the steering wheel sharply to regain control. While FSD has shown promise in controlled environments, real-world scenarios can be unpredictable. For example, while one Model Y completed a 500-mile trip with minimal intervention in a pilot, another experienced a fender bender when it failed to detect a stopped vehicle. Similarly, FSD navigated trams and cyclists well in Berlin, but struggled with cobblestone streets in Paris. These examples highlight the ongoing need for driver awareness and the importance of continuous system improvement.